based on the computer technology and software. Everything is based on that. So you have plenty of career opportunities in your life. In order to do all these things, you must have a computer knowledge. You must have a programming knowledge. You must have a computer knowledge. You have to analyze the data based on your requirement. So that is nothing but what? Data analysis. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. Myself Rohini TS, lecturer in Computer Science, Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, Mysuru. In previous session, I had some discussion regarding what do you mean by computers and what are the components of computers and what are the uses, that means what are the applications of computer. Then in this session, I will be discussing something regarding your career. So what we have in today's session? Knowingly or unknowingly, you have taken computer science stream. So I hope you all chose the best path in your career. So what you can do after your 12th standards computer science? So what are the opportunities that we have, ma'am, once we completed our 12th standard in computer science? So what are the opportunities that you have? So you can go to B.Tech in computer science. You can do your degree in B.Tech in computer science, or else you can go with B.Tech in information technology. You can go with B.Tech information technology, or else you can go with B.Tech in computer science. Then what else, ma'am? What we can do? So you can do BCA, that is Bachelor's of Computer Applications. So you can go with BCA, or else you can go with BSc in computer science. So you can go with BSc in computer science, PM-CS, physics, maths and computer science, or else you can go with any other science stream. So in BSc, you can choose any other science background in your BSc. Other than that, you can go to BCom, BBA and any other notable courses. Okay, so these many opportunities you have once you have completed your 12th standard or a second PUC in computer science. So then what we can be after our master degree or after our degree and all? So what are the career opportunities that I have in computer science? So here I have a list of career opportunity for you all in the computer science stream. So once you're done with your education in the stream of computer science, you can perform or you can choose a best path, because we are all living in the digital world. So everything is based on the computer systems. Everything is based on the computer technology and software. Everything is based on that. So you have plenty of career opportunities in your life, that too in regarding a stream of computer science. The main thing is that you have to choose your career path wisely. So then what are the options that I have in computer science once I am done with my degree or any other computer science courses? So here I have a list of courses to make you understand what are the career path that you can choose. So what you can be? So you can be an information system manager. So you can be what? Information system manager. So just keep it in mind, you must have minimum degree and master degree in your computer science stream. So you can go to MCA, BTech, MTech, like that. Okay. As I told, you can be an information system manager or you can be a multimedia programmer. You can be a multimedia programmer, or else you can go with application developers. Now where we are all have plenty of apps in your Play Store. So once you are done with computer science course, then you can develop your own applications and you can earn. Okay, so that you can be a application developer. So we can be what? Web content manager. You can be a web content manager. What the web page must be comprises of, what data must be included, what are the images to be included. Let me take one example. So you just want to search something. So go to any web browsers and click, or you just type the content that you want to have. So when you type that one, you are going to get all and images, videos, news regarding that. Then what that page must contain? So that is the career which you can work with, web content manager. Web content, what must be the page comprises of, and what are all the images that page or web page comprises of, and all. So being that, you can work as a web content manager. Or mainly games developer. You can be a game developer. So once you are done with your computer science course, so everything, in order to do all these things, you must have a computer knowledge, you must have a programming knowledge, you must have a computer knowledge, so that you can develop your own games, or you can add any other new features to the existing games. Like that, you can build your career as a game developer. Or else, what, you can be a web designer. You can be a web designer. Web pages will going to create a website. So web designer in the sense, you can design your own page, you can create web page, or you can create your anything in the web stream. So you can be what? Web designer. So what are the content that I showed you here? So you can be an information system manager, or else you can be a multimedia programmer, you can be an application developer, that is regarding apps. So you can create any of the web applications or a mobile Android application like that. And what, you can be a game developer, or you can be a web content manager, then web designer. Then what else, ma'am? I don't like all those things. Now I just want to have my career in another stream. Then what are some more opportunities that I have for you? So you can be a system analyst. So how the system must work, that means you are going to take one project, you have to work on that, what are the requirements I require, and how to design, how to manufacture, how to bring that into the market, how to maintain, everything you are going to work with this system analyst. After that, you can be a data analyst. So as I told, data comprises of what? It could be anything. So it could be anything. You have to analyze the data based on your requirement. So that is nothing but what? Data analysis. And after that, you can also be a IT consultant, information technology consultant. So you can help the clients to take the decisions. So you can work with the companies and MNCs. What is the next career opportunity you have in your computer science? You can be a SEO specialist. What is this, ma'am? What is this job description? SEO specialist is nothing but, you might have seen some advertisements in your YouTubes, or while searching you are going to get some advertisement. That is what? Organization ranking is more, so that you are getting that recommendation, and so that you are getting that advertisement. So, in order to improve the organization content in the social medias and all, you can work for that as a SEO specialist. Or else what? You can be a technical author. You can be a technical author. Then you have one more opportunity, that is digital copywriter. You can be a digital copywriter. Then what are the another career path that I can build in the stream of computer science? So you can be a application analyst. So we are going to get plenty of applications in our Play Store. So you can analyze, so what are the need of each applications, and how can I improve the efficiency of that application and all. Okay, each job has its own description. I don't want to describe each career description. So these are the content I'm just specifying you, that you have a plenty of opportunity in your computer science stream, but you have to choose your path in a wise manner, so that I can go with what? Network engineer. I can be a network engineer once I'm done with my master degree in computer science. Or else you can be IT sales professional. Then you can be a software engineer. So main trend. So you can be a software engineer. You can work with IT companies and all. So what else I can be? So database administration. So I can be a database administrator. So that is DBA. So every large amount of data will be stored in the database. So I want to be an administrator. I want to have a look on each data. So you can be that. That means you can be a database administrator. And social media manager. So social media manager, what are the content must be, and what content I can allow in social media, what content should not be included, and how to regulate and how to work with each account and all. So you can be the social media manager. I hope here I just listed out some of the career path opportunities in your computer science. Okay, so you can work with your computer science stream wisely, and you can be anything you want. So let me read all the career opportunities again. So here you can be a social media manager and database administrator and software engineer, IT sales professional. You can be a network engineer, application analyst, or else you can be a digital copywriter, then technical author, SEO specialist, or IT consultant. Then you can be a data analyst, and then you can be a system analyst. Then what are the opportunities that I have in computer science, ma'am? So you can be a web designer as well as game developer, then web content manager and application developer, or multimedia programmer and information system manager. Okay, so these many options that you have in your computer science, so that you can build your career in a right path. It's all about today's session. I'm going to meet you in the next session with new content. Until that, keep learning, keep on watching. Thank you so much.